this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export Lottie files from After Effects. First, open After Effects and drag and drop your Adobe Illustrator file into the project panel. When importing, make sure the import type is set to Composition and then click OK. Now, for Lottie animations, we need to work with shapes in After Effects, not Illustrator layers. So, go to your Layers panel, select all the layers from your composition, right-click and go to Create. Then select Create Shapes from Vector Layer. This will convert your Illustrator layers into shape layers, which are needed for a proper Lottie export. Once that's done, you can delete the original Illustrator layers since we no longer need them. Next, go ahead and animate your new shape layers as needed. After you've completed the animation, go to the top menu and click on Window. Then, navigate to Extensions and select the Body Movin extension. Body Movin is the tool we'll be using to export the Lottie file. In the Body Movin panel, you should now see all your available compositions. Select the composition that contains your animation. Then, click on the Settings icon to open the export settings. Now, under Settings, make sure to enable Demo Mode for Lottie animations. This will prepare your file for export. Once that's done, set the destination folder for where you want to save your Lottie file. Finally, click the Render button to export your Lottie animation. And that's it. Your Lottie file is ready to use. Thank you for watching.